Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best rope clamp is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of hardware for anyone working with ropes, whether for sailing, construction, or even just securing loads. It's the unsung hero that ensures safety and reliability, preventing slippage and maintaining tension when it matters most, making it a critical component for a wide range of applications where a secure hold is paramount. Number 5. ISPINNER Stainless Steel Wire Rope Cable Clip Clamp Assortment Kit. Introducing the ISPINNER Wire Rope Cable Clip Clamp Assortment Kit. This comprehensive set provides you with high-quality solutions for all your cable securing needs. Crafted from superior 304 stainless steel, these clamps offer exceptional corrosion resistance and a long lifespan. They are built to last, ensuring maximum durability in any environment. Featuring a robust U-shaped bolt, a forged saddle, and 2 nuts, this design ensures a secure and reliable grip on your wires and cables. It's engineered for strength and stability. This kit includes a total of 25 pieces, with 5 of size 1/16, M2, 8 of size 1/8, M3, 8 of size 3/16, M4, and 4 of size 1/4, M6. You'll have the perfect size for any project. All 25 pieces are neatly organized and packed in a clear plastic case. This makes storage and access easy, ensuring you can quickly find the clamp you need. These versatile clamps are perfect for rigging rope, wire, and cable in a wide array of applications. They are ideal for securing loads, hanging banners, and countless other tasks involving cables. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of sizes to fit various cable diameters, making it incredibly versatile for any project. Its 304 stainless steel construction ensures excellent corrosion resistance and durability. If you're looking for a comprehensive assortment for diverse rigging, securing loads, or creating custom setups, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The rope clamp is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Its unique design allows for a secure and reliable grip on ropes, preventing slippage even under heavy loads. The clamp is easy to install and adjust, requiring no special tools for operation. Number 4. M3 Stainless Steel Duplex 2-Post Cable Clamp, 14-pack. Crafted from fine 304 stainless steel, these clamps are built for durability and resistance to corrosion. They are precisely made to ensure reliable performance. These are perfect for tightening steel ropes in a variety of settings. You can use them for industry needs or home improvement projects like securing tent ropes or clotheslines. Featuring advanced surface polishing treatment, they offer superior protection against corrosion. This ensures a longer lifespan for your applications. The Duplex 2-post design provides a more effective tightening effect compared to single-bolt options. It also results in a tidier appearance for your cable setups. Each clamp is meticulously manufactured for a precise fit and dependable hold. Trust them for all your steel rope tightening requirements. For specific dimensions and detailed size information, please refer to the product image provided. This will help you confirm the perfect fit for your project. What we like. This Duplex 2-post design provides a superior tightening effect compared to single-bolt options, ensuring a more secure hold. The advanced surface polishing treatment enhances its corrosion resistance. If you need a reliable and aesthetically pleasing solution for tightening steel ropes in industrial or home improvement applications, this is the one to consider. What people say. This rope clamp is incredibly strong and holds the rope securely, even under heavy load. The design of this clamp is very user-friendly, making it easy to install and adjust. I was impressed by the durability of the material. It feels like it will last for years. Number 3. 10-piece heavy-duty stainless steel double rope clamps. Crafted from top-grade stainless steel, these clamps offer exceptional durability. They are designed to resist corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance in any environment. These are expertly designed to fit ropes ranging from 8 mm to 12 mm in diameter. They provide a secure and reliable fit for optimal grip. These heavy-duty clamps are perfect for connecting loose ends or securing 2 ropes together. They offer reliable performance for creating loops or fastening ropes. Their robust design makes them ideal for a wide range of uses. You can rely on them for various fastening needs. These are perfect for making animal leashes, keychains, and numerous marine applications. Use them with confidence on boats and docks. What we like. Crafted from top-grade stainless steel, these heavy-duty clamps offer exceptional durability and corrosion resistance for demanding environments. They are expertly designed to fit a range of larger rope diameters, providing a secure grip. If you're creating animal leashes, marine applications, or need to connect two thick ropes securely, these are an excellent choice. What people say. This rope clamp is made of stainless steel, which is very durable and rust-resistant. The design of the clamp allows for a secure grip on the rope, preventing slippage even under heavy load. It is easy to install and adjust, making it a convenient choice for various applications. Number 2. Heavy-duty stainless steel double rope clamps, 10 PCS. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these clamps are built to last. They offer excellent resistance to corrosion and rust, ensuring longevity even in tough conditions. Designed to securely hold two lines of rope, these clamps feature a specialized grip that prevents slippage. They are ideal for both twisted and braided ropes and wire cables. Use them to create your own lead ropes, secure dock lines, or for various DIY projects. They are perfect for applications like dog leashes, boat lines, and more. Simply choose the correct size for your rope, and these clamps will provide a strong, reliable hold. They effectively prevent your ropes from sliding out. These clamps accommodate a range of rope diameters, from 1 4-inch, 8 mm, up to 1 2-inch, 12.5 mm. Ensure you select the right size for optimal performance. Their rugged design and robust material make them heavy-duty and incredibly durable. You can count on them for demanding tasks. What we like. These heavy-duty clamps are built with stainless steel for robust anti-corrosion and anti-rust properties. A standout feature is the grip spike bit in the center, which actively prevents the rope from sliding out, ensuring a very secure hold. If you prioritize a clamp that offers a tenacious grip and long-term reliability for twisted or braided ropes and wire cables, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The rope clamp is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Its compact design makes it easy to install and doesn't add unnecessary bulk to the rope system. The clamp provides a secure grip, effectively preventing the rope from slipping even under heavy load. Number 1. Weaver Leather Double Rope Clamp. Introducing the Weaver Leather Double Rope Clamp. It allows you to quickly and easily secure your 1 2-inch ropes with its high-quality zinc-plated construction. Setting this rope clamp is a breeze. You can use a simple hammer or a clamp setter for a secure fit every time. This clamp is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for use on lead ropes, neck ropes, lunge lines, cross ties, and many other applications. The zinc-plated finish ensures durability and resistance to the elements, making it a reliable choice for all your rope securing needs. Measuring just 1x1 to 7/8 inches, this rope clamp is compact yet highly effective. It provides a secure hold without adding unnecessary bulk. What we like. This clamp is designed for quick and easy securing of 1-2 rope, and it can be set using either a hammer or a clamp setter for convenience. Its high-quality construction ensures a secure fit. If you're specifically looking for a solution for lead ropes, neck ropes, lunge lines, or cross ties where speed and ease of use are paramount, this is a great pick. What people say. The rope clamp is very sturdy and holds the rope securely. Easy to install and adjust, even for a beginner. Works perfectly for creating a secure loop in my rope. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.